all the way through Sunday in Dixon at the fairgrounds. Pin-A-GoGo. Do you know what that's about, Code?
Yeah.
What is it about?
Big pinball tournament.
And you know, a lot of people do collect pinball machines, but what do you do to keep the maintenance and fix them? Take a look. He's always ready to go.
This is a tester, and this tests all the components that on the PC boards.
Everything he needs is in the trunk of his car.
Very, very good tool to have is the splicing for wire splicing.
Tools in hand, he heads into the Blind Pig bar to work on this machine.
People play them all the time. I always take the balls out before I lift the playfield dock.
Craig Weiss is a pinball machine repairman.
I bought my first machine as a teenager, and I would watch the repairman come over after I tinkered with it, and I would ask him questions.
It's like a car mechanic. I need somebody I can trust because there's so much going on here. You know, like I said, there's about 5,000 moving parts.
Bar co-owner Evan Iverson claims to be a major pinhead.
It's a video game without a screen. That's the best part, by the way. You know, it's actually like an actual video game you can enjoy, and you're not staring at a screen the whole time.
He and many other pinball machine owners depend on Craig to keep their machines running.
Literally using a file and filing down all of the relays and all of the components inside the machine.
Take a look inside.
Most of the parts in there are all the coils that operate the machine.
Take a look outside.
Up here you'll have components that will fail due to a component down here that failed. Either a chip or a transistor or a fuse will blow.
Craig can fix it.
I wouldn't know what to do, so thank God we have Craig, because I would never be able to fix any of this.
There you go. Still very popular, and collector's items, like they collect cars, they're so serious about collecting machines too. So you'll see a lot of vintage machines and newer machines at Pin-A-GoGo, and there's his number, Craig Weiss, again, repairman, if you need some help and you're a collector. There you go. All right, back over to you, Ken.
I like it. Thanks, Dean. Well, teachers and staff